Hello everyone, Anthony here from Windybeard. Another quick video just to discuss what I've been working on, what I've been doing and what I'm going to do next. So this week, since the last video, I've been doing a lot of marketing work for Geo. As you can see the video in the background, that's a character from Geo by the name of Randal Crunch. He's got big old teeth, there he is. And so what he is, I did a series of internal comms posters. I discussed this quickly in the last one, and you know those sort of big posters you get from inside of the corporation saying how great it is. This is another one of those, and you can see that at the end of this video. You can see the finished article. So this is the third one I've done. I'm probably going to do one more. I've still got to pick which crew member, but that's 3 out of 4 done. I've also been reaching out to anyone and everyone in the gaming world, so any YouTuber, media outlet, anyone who's interested in games, to try and build some momentum for Geo. It's gone quite well. A couple of people have picked it up. Hopefully a few more will. Time will tell, I suppose. We're creeping ever closer to the 31st, which is when Geo will be released. So it's an exciting time. Also quite nervous, obviously. We'll see how it goes. I'm hoping it will go well, and I'm hoping people will enjoy it. Alongside working on Geo, I've also been working on the new game, which is now called Dreamstones. As I discussed in the last one, it's an Arkanoid RPG, and what I've been working on mainly is so your home screen, all your interfaces. So I've come up with a cool concept for the interface. It's sort of wood and gold. I think it looks quite nice. You can see some screenshots on my website, windybeard.com, or Facebook, etc. And you may as well follow me while you're there. So I've been working on the home screen. So the main one I've been working on is your weapon system. So throughout the game you equip, you can buy weapons and obviously equip them. And these are used to fight the monsters that you find out in the fields, etc. So the interface allows you to obviously equip and unequip weapons and look at any weapons that you have. And all this information is being pulled from an external database that I've created, so it's very easy for me to add more weapons, which is good. Obviously that'll speed up development time, but it also gives me a lot of ability to tweak numbers and balancing to get it nice and right. So that's one thing that's good, and that's working quite well. But it does get more complicated because each weapon's going to have a different amount of skill slots. And there's 2 types of skill slots. So you've got passive skill slots for things like, you start each game with an extra life, or you earn a little bit more cash, and then you've got cast skills, so like you may be able to shoot a fireball, you may be able to slow down time, things like that. These are ideas I have. So each weapon has different amounts of slots, so it gets a little bit more complicated building the interfaces to facilitate that, but it's going well. And I've also started work on the skill database, so my plan is to handle all skill stats externally. So I'll be able to add more skills just by tweaking numbers in a database rather than having to hard code in the actual skills. So that's only just started that, and that's not working yet. But the weapon system and equipping weapons, etc., is, and the skill slot stuff is starting to come together. But there's a lot of work needs to be done there. It's going to take me some time. But once the skill database is up and running and the weapon system's up and running, that'll be quite a big milestone. And I'll also move on to the building system within the game. A large part of the game is about rebuilding your kingdom, and you'll collect blueprints for buildings, etc. throughout the game, and then you'll be able to build them in your kingdom, populating it with a huge amount of buildings, etc. But that's quite a big complex system. I've only just started work on that, and I'll go into much more detail about that in the future. It's going to be one of the big plus points of this game, I'm hoping. So that's mainly what I've been working on this week. Like I said, very quick video just to give you an idea of what I'm working on. I'll do another video soon. Thank you very much for watching. That's Randal Crunch right there. He's having a good old time, look at him. And thank you very much for watching. Hit the subscribe button and I'll do another video soon. Thank you very much. Goodbye.